Adobe Firefly AI Assistant may just have changed the game. This video is sponsored by Adobe as part of the Adobe Firefly Ambassadors program. I spend hours sometimes working with a photo that doesn't look very good, trying to resize it for multiple different social networks. I'm using 5 apps, I'm losing hours. Well, Adobe have just announced something that is supposed to fix exactly this problem. Now, as you know, I've covered Adobe products like Premiere, like Audition, also a bit of Photoshop as well for many years. And I've been asked by many of you in the comments to look at Adobe Firefly and bridge that content creation gap for us busy creators that are leaving tools on the table and don't really know how to use them. So, Adobe just dropped something called Firefly AI Assistant. It's in beta right now, but if it keeps going the way it already is, it's really going to change things for busy creators. So what is it? Well, it's essentially a prompt box with the ability to hit plus, and then you can upload from Adobe Cloud Storage or from your computer, of course. It's a conversational AI built into Firefly that works across Adobe's apps to do magic for you. So instead of needing to learn every tool manually, you just describe what you want and the assistant figures out the steps. I know, it's really cool, so let's test it out now. So look at this, I've got some headshots of Izzy. There we go, perfect. But I need them retouched and looking a little more professional. So I'm going to add them to the AI assistant inside Adobe Firefly. And then I'm going to use this prompt, retouch these headshots, straighten, balance lighting, blur background, portrait crop. We'll hit go and we'll let the Adobe Firefly AI assistant hop into action. Now you'll see here, it starts thinking as to what exactly it's got to do. It loads a skill, that's right, an Adobe skill. You don't need to know the skill, the AI is taking care of it. Now, first of all, it starts off by analyzing both images. That was done really quick. Now it says both are casual lifestyle shots, good natural light, busy background, slight tilt. So it figures out exactly what it needs to do. It creates a plan. Look at this. All of this stuff that I wouldn't know because I'm not a photo editing professional. It's straightening, it's doing exposure changes, shadow changes, it's changing vibrance. It tells me to confirm all of this. I'll say yes and let it go to work. This is brilliant. It's like if I knew what I was doing with those tone controls and saturation, I might tell it to tweak it a bit, but I'm just going to say yes and see what it comes up with straight out of the box. So you can see it's running through now and auto straightening the photos. Okay, it's already straightened the camera angle, so everything looks good. And now look at this, it's applying corrections to both. And look, we've got a much more cinematic kind of photo vibrance feel. But wait, there's more. It's fetching presets to apply lens blur here. And it's also figuring out exactly how to apply it to my photos. Now look at this, it's already done so much work to those images, making them pop out. Now it's actually resizing those images. We can actually make this bigger and have a look at the result. There you go, that's a proper 4x5 photo that has been adjusted using the Adobe Firefly AI Assistant. It's verifying that everything is good, and it tells me yes, the 2 portraits have been retouched and asking me if I need any adjustments. So yeah, I'm gonna go further with this. I'm gonna say soften the skin tone a touch more and warm the overall tone slightly. Let's see what the Adobe Firefly AI Assistant does with this. Straight away, you can see it's called the Blemish Removal for Skin Softening tool, which is amazing, and it's also going to run a warm tone pass simultaneously. So you can think of it like having an assistant who already knows every Adobe app and preset and just does the work for you while you direct it. Now, by the way, I wanted to say thank you so much if you've already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so already, I bring handy videos like this one to you every single week. So do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button. And my promise to you is I'll keep creating great videos just like this week in, week out. Okay, if we compare before, we can see that the skin blemishes have definitely been reduced and the warmer tone, very subtle but applied there by the Adobe Firefly AI Assistant. I like the fact that it doesn't go nuts with the presets and really crank up the warmth, but it just does subtle changes that achieve exactly what I ask it. Now here's a prompt I'm going to try with the AI Assistant. I need a pro photo for LinkedIn, put subject in pro clothes and crop for in. Let's see exactly what comes back now from the Adobe Firefly AI Assistant. Okay, this is really interesting. It didn't go straight to work. It wants to ask me a couple of questions before it proceeds. So it's asking which photo should I use as the base? And let's go for Izzy in the sushi restaurant. It can actually see the subject matter of the images, which is also really cool. So I'll say next to that. And then it says, what professional outfit would you like to put the subject in? Okay, we can go for anything, but I think business casual would be nice. We'll answer those questions for the AI assistant and see what comes back. Okay, you can see it's also using the latest retouched version as the base, so I don't need to go through all those steps again and make the image look great. It's already optimum. Now it's just going to make it ready for LinkedIn. Oh my goodness me, that is insane. That is definitely Izzy. It's checking the result. It's analyzing to make sure it's done a good job. It's taken our subject, put her in pro clothes, and given a beautiful background that is LinkedIn ready. Now it can see the image, it's even commenting on its own images. It can actually see the face, the hair, the likeness is carried over well, and it's cropping it one-on-one for LinkedIn. Look at that, we've got a square portrait image. That is absolutely amazing. Headshot is complete. Anything else to do? This is just incredible. Okay, we started a new conversation. This time I'm going to upload the channel banner artwork for this particular YouTube channel, but I want it different sizes for different social networks. So I'm saying crop the hero image for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And of course, we need to preserve the subject and the text. Don't hallucinate anything extra. Just make it ready for those social networks. Also, I'm asking it to keep the text in the safe zones. This is really important because the AI assistant should know correct dimensions. It can also read how big the banner already is, the text that's there, and it knows what size it needs to make each post, which is really incredible. Okay, so it's working away here with a generative expand on my image. Boom, look at that. On the first run, not too bad. It's made a tool expand that looks great. The full subject is visible. It added me in there, which is quite interesting. But the wide expand it noticed generated fake text above the banner. So it's having another go at it, and it's actually cropping the banner it created that's really good. And now we have 3 banners that are exactly the right size for each social network. So it's done incredibly well with a little bit of generative expand and noticing and fixing its mistake. It's going on to say all 3 variants now look good and are exactly the right dimensions for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, which is really, really cool. Okay, finally, I'm going to do something with my branding with one of my logos. So here is the logo to my other channel, Creator Magic. I'm going to upload that. I'll say place the logo naturally on the front of a bag of coffee beans, match the lighting and perspective so it looks printed and not pasted. And of course, the AI assistant will know exactly what to do. It will generate the photo of the coffee beans and put my logo on it. So as you can see, the core idea is simple. You direct it, it executes, you stay in control, refining and improving all along the way. It's really incredible. And here it is. Wow, okay, Sparkle Coffee Roasters, that's pretty cool. And of course I can go ahead and I can refine this. So I can say, make the logo smaller and write text, Creator Magic Beans, like that. And we'll see that it's asking if I want to make any changes. So I'll say those are the changes and we'll see what comes back. And look at that, slightly smaller logo. And those are definitely Creator Magic Beans. I'm really happy with the output that's come in here. And it's checked and says, yep, this looks good. I love it, but I'm not finished there. I'm going to upload an image of me. Let's get a picture of me. Yeah, there we go. Standing on the pier at Venice Beach. And then I'll write here, have the guy holding the bag of beans. Very simple, natural language prompt. I've uploaded a photo of me. We've already generated those coffee beans with my favorite logo on there. So now we'll let the AI assistant go to work. It's looking at the image. It can see that it's me, and it notices a smiling guy with sunglasses, beard, colorful printed shirt near the waterfront. So now it's adding the Creator Magic Beans coffee bag and matching his appearance and the outdoor lighting, which is important because we can see the previous beans are indoors, but now it's going to match the lighting to make it look absolutely perfect. And there we go, I'm holding some Creator Magic Beans at the end of Venice Beach Pier. Is this going to replace Photoshop or manual tweaking? Well, no. If you want precise control over your edits and you know what you're doing, you can absolutely use the tools. But if you're a beginner trying to do more with less time, or a solo creator wearing every single hat, the editor, the designer, the social media manager, this could really save you hours. It definitely has me. This video is sponsored by Adobe as part of the Adobe Firefly Ambassadors program. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy using this new AI assistant. Let me know in the comments comments down below how you'll be using it. And by the way, YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.